Detective Chad Lawless gave his testimony on what occurred between Ed Troyer and Sedrick Altheimer. Lawless testified that when he heard the call, he was so focused on getting to the scene that he left his body cam at the substation. Once the scene was secure, Lawless says that he downgraded the call and spoke with Troyer to find out what happened, but says Troyer never mentioned anything about being threatened by Altheimer.
Based on the nature of the call and the reason we were there, I asked him, did he make any threats towards you? And he said no.
Even after being asked twice.
And why did you ask him twice whether he had been threatened?
I wanted to make sure that I heard him correctly, that I was getting the right information, because it's pretty critical as far as making the decision if I'm going to be able to develop probable cause to arrest somebody for a threats complaint.
During cross-examination, Troyer's lawyer, Nick Gross, called into question Lawless's approach to his handling of the incident. Gross also asked why Lawless didn't take Altheimer's return to Troyer's residence after their initial interaction in throwing a newspaper into Troyer's driveway more seriously, noting that he and his superior laughed about it.
Do you understand why a person in Sheriff Troyer's position might be concerned?
Absolutely. If he was concerned, he should have called 911 then.
Before court wrapped up, Troyer's attorneys brought up the sheriff's wife to talk about their family and how she was feeling about this process.
Tired of it all. I want it to be over.
Now, during her initial statements, Wendy Troyer said that protesters had also started to come to her residence ever since knowledge of the January 2021 incident became public. However, the judge decided that her statements don't have any actual bearing on the sheriff's alleged crimes, so they're not relevant to the trial. Her testimony is expected to continue tomorrow morning when court resumes. But for now, we're live at the Pierce County Courthouse. Lionel Donovan, King 5 News.